one for quite a while. It's the new DJ booth from Equinox. Now, we've been selling the old one, which is the bigger version, for quite a while with a lot of success. But they've brought out what they're calling the micro booth, which is roughly about half the size. What we're going to do in the video is we're going to show you how it comes apart, what it comes with and what it doesn't come with. And also we're going to give you some measurements in this video as well. So it is a DJ booth. This system comes complete with the frame, which you'll see in a minute, the overhead kit and a white lycra. It doesn't come with, as standard, the star cloth, which is underneath this white lycra. It is an extra add-on, but we do sell them as well. So when you take this lycra off, you'll see there's a black star cloth, and it's like a serge wool type star cloth, just in white. You can get a multicoloured one though as well, so if you want multicoloured, we do sell one of those as well. But in this video we're going to show you the lycra on. It comes, the frame, when you buy the frame or the booth, it comes with the overhead kit, a shelf, which I'll show you in a second, and a white lycra. If you just wanted to use the white lycra, it'll work very well because you could put an LED can behind it and you could uplight it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the camera off the stand and bring you around this side, and I'm going to give you some measurements and stuff like that. Right, so here we go then. We're going to take some measurements because measurements is good when it comes to DJ booths. We need to know. Right, across the front we have got approximately 70 centimetres. From the floor to the top of the booth, we've got 130 centimetres. From the side to the front, we've got, if I was being generous, I would say 63.5 centimetres. Now then, from the floor to the top of the bar, where the lighting is, to the top of it, I'll get the tape measure in here. I would say that was 212 centimetres to the top of that bar. And that's about as high as that bar goes as well. You don't have to use it with the bar on. It's not a structure. If you want to use it without it, it's not going. The booth's not going to collapse or anything like that. What we'll do now is I'm going to turn the booth around and just to show you how light it is, because I can do it just like that. So I'm going to turn that around, and we've got a nice wooden shelf. A nice carpet covered wooden shelf in here this time. So I'll tell you what, if you take that out, I will show you. So it's nicely cut out. It's got a hole here for you to put your cables through and stuff like that. Nicely finished product. Nicely finished product. Right, and it's got little lips on the ends of the side so it won't slide off or anything like that. You just pop that back in there. Right, so obviously I think another dimension that's going to be really important to you DJs is the distance front to back on that shelf is 61 centimetres. So that's from this edge to the front edge, and then across we have got 65 centimetres. Now I am going to give you an extra measurement because you'll see here, this is where the lighting bar is. So in this part in the middle, it just brings it in a little bit. So I think, I think we should give you that measurement as well, right? And that is 59 centimetres. So the distance between that there and that there, well, I'll just double check that. Yeah, I would say that would be 59 centimetres. And I think if you're putting any controllers and things like that in there, you are going to have to take this into consideration. The item comes in a bag as well, so it comes bagged. On the whole, really nice quality, it folds down really, really well. I'm going to show you how we take it to bits. The cloth is the star cloth. I'll tell you what I'll do, I'll take this lycra cloth off to show you how easy it comes off. I'll take this board out. Now, I've tied a knot there. So, as you can see there, the cloth comes off. So you can, when you buy the stand, it only comes with a lycra cloth. This star cloth, which is like a proper nice, like a wool serge type cloth. You know, so it feels like quality, it fits really, really nice. It has all the Velcro strapping so you can put it nice and tight so it's not going to look all creasy. That is a separate purchase, which we do sell obviously, and that comes in a bag as well. So all the stuff comes bagged, and it comes with its controller. Now, I'm just going to turn this off and I'll let you have a look at the controller. Something I think Equinox have improved here. I think they've improved the look and the build quality of the controller. It feels like a much better quality item now. It's got several different functions. It'll do a fade, it'll do an automatic chase. It's DMXable, so you can wire it through on your DMX system. It does sound to light. Loads of different features on there, and you've got a volume adjust here and a function adjust. I just think it's a nice controller. They've definitely improved the controller on this particular booth. So that comes with it as well. It also comes with some nice spare LEDs. So what we need to just show you really is how it comes to bits. And as you can see, it's nice and light. So it's going to be dead manageable. I think this particular piece of kit is going to be great for the mobile DJ. Taking the top bar off there, comes pre-drilled with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fixings with the nuts and bolts. And it comes to bits really, really easy. You just want to obviously take the cloth off first, and it's all cut in. This cloth is specific for this booth. I don't think it's going to work with anything else very well, if I'm being honest with you. It's not what I would recommend. I would recommend you buy this cloth specifically for this booth. But I think this is going to be great for this size of this booth. Just really works for those smaller venues where you can't get in. I think it'd be really nice for those guys that are doing presentations, master of ceremonies, things like that. So there's the cloth, and now you can see the frame as it stands on its own. I'm going to take that to bits for you. One section, two section. Oh, I think we'll have another measurement in there. I bet you all want to know, and you only are going to ask me. I'll put the shelf back in. Right. The height from here to here. Right, nearly forgot that. And that, to me, to the bottom of that bar, to the bottom edge, is 34 centimetres. So that's 34 centimetres. You can see it's got a nice sloping angle as well. Aesthetically, it looks really, really well. I think they've, on this particular unit, you know, they've looked and listened to what the DJs have said about the bigger version of this, and they've made a few significant improvements on this particular model. So that's the two side bits and the top bit for the overhead kit, which comes with it. Because I know on the bigger version it was a separate purchase. With this, you get your frame, you get your white lycra, you get your top bars, and you get your shelf. And the star cloth comes as an optional extra. So there's your crossbars, and then get that right. That folds down to that. Folded down. Do you want some measurements? Yeah, I think so. We'll go on the extremes. That is 71.5. And I'll put that in the bottom there. And that is a 130. So there you go. That is the Equinox Micro Booth. If you click the link in this video, it'll take you through to our website where it'll give you a full lineup of all the products that you can get for this. The cloth, a multicoloured cloth, obviously the booth system. There is also as well a very nice, right, now I didn't show you this, right, and I think it's a really neat idea, a TV bracket that hangs on here. It just hangs on, and it's a proper so if you're going to use like a flat screen telly, perfect for karaoke, or if you're showing photos at weddings and stuff like that, I think it'd be great. Really nice add-in. All it does, it literally slots straight over the top of here, and you can fix the screen to it. I think once you've got your lights and all your equipment on, I think it's very, very stable. It just works. So that is the Equinox micro booth. Like I say, click the link in the description, and it'll take you through to our site for any more information on that. It's Mike at Phase 1. Thank you.